So we got the oil pressure switch where we gonna be installing on the Chevy Tahoe. Got a 2012. That's how it looks. And this is the filter. And the filter go down in the engine like that. So let's get it. Okay, so I'm hearing it's located right behind here. So when you crank up the truck, see the oil pressure gauge is not working. Got a check engine light for it too as well. But yeah, so we're gonna change the switch and hopefully that fix it. This is the tool we're using right here to make sure you get that. And it's because this oil pressure switch is rounded. You can see right here, it's rounded. So you can't just use any socket. And this is what this is made for. So make sure you get that. This is what I'm going to be using here. Just to set up. Make sure you got your pick. I might need a long. And if you didn't get it, that's the part number right there for that special socket. Oh Lord. I got it off. I think it did. Hold on. I think it did. Maybe just needed some vibration to that mall to get it off. Yep, it came off. It might end up dropping. Oops, well, I didn't. I got it. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it out. Now I probably could drop this down in there with my hand. But you see, got it, pulled it up. That's how it came out. Make sure you put it back the right way. All right, y'all, she's on. Everything back together, we're good. All right, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and crank her up. Like I said, the sensor's in right there. Let's hope it fixes the problem. That oil pressure gauge. Go ahead and fire that thing up. And there we go, y'all. There we have it. She's working now. So if y'all have an issue like that, that's how you fix that gauge.